guys! Welcome back again to my channel. It's me again, Jeff, your authentic wise buddy. Kumusta kayo mga friendship? So for today's episode guys, ayan, isang magandang product na naman, no other than Edmark Company, ang ating bibigyan ng review. So there are lots of product actually ng Edmark Company or Edmark Distributor here in internationally, I mean. So isa na naman pong product ang i-review natin. Another coffee po, coffee product ng Edmark International, which is yung coffee with ginseng. Ayan. So guys, before we start, sa mga hindi pa po nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, please hit the subscribe button po and the bell notification para updated po kayo sa mga next videos na i-upload po natin. And I would like to take this opportunity na magpasalamat po sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta po ng ating channel. Ayan. So, my channel is all about reviews and the OFW life here in UAE. Ayan. Mga reviews po ng mga products po. Mga good products. Worldwide. Ayan. So, without further ado, we will start now our review, product review. So, yun nga, Edmark International, another quality product po ng Edmark ang ating i-review, which is ito po siya. Ayan. Edmark Cafe with Ginseng. Ayan. Kung makikita nyo po sa inyong screen, this is Edmark Cafe with Ginseng. So, guys, the one box of this one is composed of, or I mean, coffee collection siya with 20 sticks or 20 packs or 20 sachet na tagi 18 grams. Ayan. So, meron siyang 20 sachet. Itong Edmark Cafe Instant Coffee Beverage with Ginseng Extra. Ayan. So, ang ingredients niya is sucrose, non-dairy creamer, instant coffee powder, maltodextrin, food conditioner, coffee flavor, tricalcium phosphate, and anti-aging agent, ginseng powder, cocoa powder. Yan, this product contains of Edmark International. Ayan. So guys, ito po yung i-review natin for today's episode. Ayan. So, another content po ng product na ito is, of course, it is manufactured by the Edmark Industries. Ayan nga po. So, directions for use actually ng product na ito, it is good. As a sachet for a cup of 150 ml. And, pour in hot water and stir. Actually, guys, pwede rin siya ng pang-cold. Aside from hot, if you want it to drink with the cold water, pwede rin siyang i-mix into cold water. And very effective ito guys, it's because it has a ginseng extract nga. So, aside from that, i-review nga natin ang product na ito. So, most of us guys, before we take or before we drink some products, of course, very kumbaga curious tayo pagdating sa mga nutritional informations ng mga products. So mostly yun yung mga tinitignan natin. And good thing, the nutritional content of or nutritional information of this product is nandito po siya in its packaging also. So nutritional informations niya is serving size niya is 18 grams per sachet, and yun nga gaya ng sabi ko is 20 sachet siya sa isang box nitong Edmark Coffee with Ginseng. Okay? So ang nutritional information niya, average composition niya, it has energy, calories, protein, carbohydrate, and fat. So good thing wala rin siyang sugar content. So napakaganda ito sa mga diabetic persons actually. So much better ito na sa mga coffee lover dyan. So wala kasi itong sugar content. So napaka-effective and safe ito actually. So 100 grams niya guys, ang energy niya is 442 calories. And per serving niya ng 18 grams, halimbawa nag-intake na kayo nito, per 18 grams niya is meron siyang 80 calories. So napakaganda niya, yung energy content nitong coffee powder drink na to ay napakaganda. And the protein itself, meron siya per 100 grams is 2.5 grams yung protein niya na may intake natin per 100 grams. And per serving niya naman, nitong 18 grams nga kasi 18 grams per sachet siya. So 0.4 grams. Ayan. So sa carbohydrate niya, malaking tulong din ito actually guys. We all know that carbohydrate really helps to boost our energy levels sa katawan natin. So napaka-importante din actually ng carbohydrates sa katawan natin. And good thing meron din siya, carbohydrate content niya per 100 grams is 83.4 grams. And per 18 grams serving niya is 15.0 grams. Ayan. So napakaganda guys nito kasi sa mga kulang o ba, syempre minsan lalo na pag nagtatrabaho tayo and most especially pag mga busy tayo ng mga tao, wala tayo time minsan kumain ng mga masusustansyang pagkain. And this product really from Edmark International, it will help us to sustain yung mga sustansya or yung mga vitamins na kailangang ma-intake with the help of this product. Magtutulungan niya tayo na kumbaga masustain niya yung mga hindi natin nakukuha na energy and protein nga. So, ang total fat niya per 100 grams, guys, maganda rin siya kasi less yung fat niya. 10.9 grams per 100 gram and per serving niya ng 18 grams is 2.0 grams. So, napakaganda nitong Edmark Cafe with Ginseng Extract. So, now we will now proceed. Of course, syempre, pag importante ang nutritional content ng product, isa kasi yan sa tinitignan natin pag nagre-review tayo ng product. And we will now proceed to benefits naman tayo, guys. So, napaka-importante din kasi ng mga benefits sa isang produkto. So, we will now review its benefits sa product na ito. First, it sharpen the mind and memory. So, napakaganda nito sa mga, of course, di ko naman sinabi na bata pa ako, yung mga medyo nagkakaedad na. So, napakaganda nito na intake ng mga medyo, nakakalimot na or medyo yung memory level nila is, so I mean to say is yung medyo nagkakaedad na, okay? And number 2 is accelerate visual and auditory responses. Ayan, so yung visual natin, kumbaga yung vision and visual auditory responses natin is napakaganda niya, na-accelerate niya actually. And increase concentration, so nakakapag-concentrate tayo more, it's because of the ginseng extract nga ng product na ito. We all know that ginseng extract is what we call this one, full of energy. I mean, full of energy siya, guys. So, the next one is lower and remove bad cholesterol. So, nare-remove din nga. It really helps. Hindi naman sinasabi ko na nare-remove niya lahat ang bad cholesterol sa katawan natin, but it really help to lower or to remove the bad cholesterol po na sa katawan natin, okay? And lower blood pressure, nakakapag-lower din po siya ng blood pressure. And maximize oxygen intake, increase aerobic activity, ayan, lower heart rate during exercise, increase antioxidants in the body, at ang pinakamaganda nito guys is prevent cancer. So, nakakapag-prevent siya ng cancer. Okay? It is smooth, elegant, and refreshing ginseng coffee is a health drink that will truly satisfy your discriminating taste. Ayan, napakaganda po. Aside na mag-intake po tayo ng mga instant coffee mix na mabibili po natin sa supermarkets, it really have lots of sugar content. So, ito guys, napakaganda po ng product na ito. Okay? So, if I were you, better to try this one, this ginseng coffee, because this one is a rejuvenating energy booster. Okay, this ginseng coffee is made from the natural blend of the finest Arabica coffee beans from Brazil and Colombia and ginseng extract. Okay, the active ingredients of ginseng called ginsenoside has the healing powers that aid in sharpening the mind and memory as well as in lowering the blood pressure. So napakaganda nga nito na may mga high blood, sa mga hypertension. So napaka-safe din ito and napaka-effective nitong product na ito. If you want to check with your own research, you can check it in the Google. Type nyo lang po itong Edmark and then makikita nyo po ang mga other review tungkol sa product na ito. So isa po yan sa napakagandang product ng Edmark International, guys. This product is available worldwide. So you can check it there in your country pa kung saan man po, kung sino man po ang nanonood nitong vlog natin or review about this product. So this one is really good and you can try it with your own research, guys. Okay? And aside from that, guys, so na-inform na natin yung kanyang benefits. So we'll really discuss about the benefits of this product, okay? Ang product na ito actually is energy booster din siya and rejuvenate. Okay? Napakaganda nga nitong coffee na ito. So, ilalagay ko po ang description or link kung ba nandito po kasi ako sa UAE for those who want to try this product. I will lalagay ko po yung sa description yung link kung saan po yung office ng Edmark International po dito sa UAE, or you can check kung saan mang bansa po kayo naroroon, you can check po. Available po ito actually worldwide. So pwede nyo po yan puntahan or i-check or research with your own para po matry nyo ang product na ito. Okay, that's all for today's vlog, guys. I hope may isa na naman po tayong product and I hope na makatulong po ito sa inyo. This product, Edmark International product, which is yung coffee with ginseng. Ayan po, guys. Maraming salamat, guys, sa panonood ng aking small review here in my channel. For those who still not subscribe my channel, please do hit the subscribe button po and the bell notification para updated po kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin. That's all for today's episode, guys. Maraming salamat and thank you. Mwah mwah!